It is time for another advent calendar. It is day 5 of the advent calendar. And what's cool about day 5 is this is actually me and Billy's hiking days. Hopefully I get a long one. Okay, we have Weymouth, all the trails in Weymouth Woods. Those are rated easy. I just didn't put it on it. It's a reindeer dog. Go somewhere fun tomorrow. So the trails I'm doing in exact order are Roberts Bog Trail, the Surface Road, Letter Stump Trail, Pine, Island Trail, the Equestrian Trail, Holly Trail, Moccasin Crossing to Gum Swap Trail, and then Pine Barren Trail. I'm walking into all the spider webs today. We just saw 2 deer. We are done with the trails. It was really good. I didn't run into any people. Here's my stats. And we did it way faster than I was even expecting to do it in.